Hi, welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we'll be making a Cajun Roast Chicken. So that is tasty and crispy, very nice. So let's start. We have a nice chicken that is washed and clean, and we will use this. We will season it with a dry rub, and then we'll add this to the oven and set it for about 40 minutes, and the chicken is all ready to go. So let's start. We get ourselves a pan. Remember, we just wet this a little so that our foil can stick to it nicely so it doesn't slide around. Great, so we have our foil. We make our form, just fold it over. Now, this layering of the foil will help when we bake this chicken, that the sauce will not stick to the pan and make it very difficult to clean. So, okay, we will start by seasoning this chicken. I place this on the pan so that we can do all the dry rubbing on this, so that we won't make a mess. Let's add a nice touch of spice and aroma to this chicken. Now that the black pepper is on, we will apply some dark soy sauce. This will add some coloring to the whole chicken when we roast this. So we just rub this into the chicken. So this will add a nice color to it. And next, we have some salt. We sprinkle the salt on the surface just for taste. Make sure the inside also. So everywhere is well seasoned. Garlic powder. The garlic powder gives it a nice aroma also. We don't want too much, but just enough to coat for flavor. Make sure you get the whole hand. Make sure you get this everywhere and all the nicks and cracks. Now we start with this Cajun seasoning rub. So we rub this all around our chicken. Make sure you get some extra on the chicken breast because it's a thick piece of meat, and the inside, of course. Great. Then final, we have some rosemary. This will add a touch of herb and flavor to the whole chicken. Now this is all seasoned. We raise this up with one of these. So what we have now is we have the chicken breast facing up. But what we do, we want to flip this around and have the chicken breast facing down, so that we get the skin of where most of the fat is. When we're cooking, the fat will seep out of the chicken and it will help moisten the chicken breast and keep it from drying out. So great. So depending on how your oven is set up, ours is a convection oven, so we have a fan inside where we want to face the opening of the chicken toward the fan, so to help with the circulation and have it evenly cook the chicken and help speed up this process also. So I have pre-warmed this oven at 200 degrees Celsius, and we will put this in and set it for about 40 minutes, and the chicken is all ready to go. Now let's put this in the oven and set the time. Okay, welcome back. Now our chicken is ready and is out of the oven. So what I did is I set it at 200 degrees and then turn it down after 5 minutes to 175 degrees Celsius and let it cook the remaining time. Let's cut this chicken and let's give it a try. By the way, I took it out and I let it rest on the counter for about 10 minutes before we cut it. Allow the juice to soak right back into the chicken. So don't cut your chicken immediately when it's cooked. Now let's check this out. Got my plate and my spoon, my fork. Now where should I start? My favorite is the chicken leg. Let's start. Ooh, look at this. Wow, this is so soft and tender. Can you see the steam coming off of this? I'll get the winglet also. Let's see if I can find the bone. Okay, there it is. Ooh, this thing is steaming hot. Great. Now let's move this aside and let's try this chicken out. Look at this. It browned very nicely. The skin is nice and crisp. Now let's give this a try. Look at the juice in this chicken. It's nice and moist and it's well cooked through. Now let's give it a try. Wow. The skin is nice and crunchy and the meat is so moist. Wow. This is just amazing. You need to really try this. This is something to die for. You will love this with your family dinner, with any kind of gathering. You will impress a lot of guests with this chicken. That's for sure. This is my favorite. It's the Cajun chicken. Now I'll fry some French fries to go with this, and it's perfect. This will make a very good dinner, lunch, or picnic. Perfect. Now, thank you for watching. If you like what you see today, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the Amazing Kitchen logo to subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you again. Bye now.